Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm mine.
Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you guys, you already know by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you all my self-care routine. So as of recently, I have been taking my self-care routine quite seriously, you guys. It really makes a huge difference. I feel refreshed and rejuvenated after I do my self-care routines, and I try to do it about once a month or as often as I can. I feel like as an adult, the older that I'm getting, I don't be wanting to go out anymore, you guys. Like majority of the time, I just want to stay in my house, especially in my bathroom, and just pamper myself, show myself some TLC. And yeah, like that's the vibe that I've been on as of lately. So I am back in from running errands and doing work. And you know, I just want to relax and unwind. And as y'all can see, I'm already in my bathroom. I'm in my place of zen. So yeah, I'm just going to get cleaned up. I'm going to also wash my hair because my hair is looking a hot mess. I am so overdue for a wash, you guys. So I'm gonna do that. And I also have a ton of new products to share with you guys, which I'm super excited. I picked up a lot of products from Sephora. And by the way, this video is in collaboration with Sephora. Shout out to them. I love Sephora. I'm up in that store like every week buying new products. And matter of fact, they also have a sale going on. If you head over to their website right now, you could save up to 20% off. And their sale does end on November 15th. So you have a couple of days, you know, to catch their sale and get your discount in. And even if you do miss out on that particular sale, you guys, Sephora is always having sales, especially for the upcoming holidays. Sephora is always gonna be having sales. So just be on the lookout for that. So I'm gonna leave everything down below, including the link on how to become a VIP member and join their Beauty Insider program. And without further ado, we're gonna head into the shower and jump straight into the self-care routine. Alright y'all, so first things first, I'm going to tackle this hair, and I picked up this Olaplex Healthy Hair Kit, and it includes their shampoo, conditioner, hair treatment, and bonding oil. So I'm going to step in the shower and get my water nice and hot. I already mentioned this in my previous shower routine video. I like my water to be piping hot, you guys. So because I heard some pretty good stuff about this brand, I decided to pick up their kit. And as y'all can see, I'm starting off with the shampoo, and it's pretty good. I was able to thoroughly cleanse my hair with it, and I also like the consistency of this shampoo. It has a very thick consistency to it. So of course, I'm going to wash both sections of the hair, and I like to split my hair into two halves when I'm washing my hair. It just really helps to prevent breakage, and it keeps my hair detangled. So next, I'm going to follow up with the hair conditioner, and since I had my hair in a ponytail for a very long time, I wanted to go ahead and use the hair conditioner first to detangle my hair before I go ahead and apply the hair treatment. So I'm just going to use a generous amount of the hair conditioner, and using my wide tooth comb, I'm going to gently detangle my hair using the hair conditioner. So moving on to the treatment, this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. And y'all, I would say out of everything in this kit, This was honestly my favorite product. So it's sort of like a protein treatment, and it really helped to strengthen my hair, you guys. After I applied this treatment and I let it sit in my hair, when I rinsed it out, my hair just felt so strong, and that's exactly what I needed. My hair was overdue for a good treatment, especially a protein treatment. So I'm gonna continue to use this treatment. I like to do protein treatments about once a month, so I'm probably gonna keep this and implement it into my hair routine and use it about once a month. So now that I'm done applying my hair treatment, I'm just going to cover up my hair using this plastic hair cap. And I had let this treatment sit for about an hour into my hair, but you don't have to let it sit for that long. On the bottle, it says let it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes. So moving on to the body next, I also decided to pick up this kit, and this is by the brand Necessaire. And starting off with their body wash, I picked it up in the scent eucalyptus, and they also offer this same body wash in a unscented fragrance-free version. I'm going to apply a generous amount of this body wash onto my washcloth, and I like a really good lather, so I'm using a good amount of this body wash, and I'm going to be using circular motions to cleanse my body. So you guys already know my staple has always been Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, but surprisingly, I actually really enjoyed using this body wash. It also has like a minty scent to it. It has a cooling sensation to it as well, but it's not as harsh. This one is really subtle, it's very light. So I feel like this body wash would be really ideal for people with sensitive skin, or if you don't like strong smelling body wash fragrances, this will be a good fit for you. So next I'm going to follow up with the body exfoliator, and here's a close-up shot. As y'all can see, it has these exfoliating particles, these little micro beads in it, and you guys, this exfoliator is bomb. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I was going to like any of these products, which is why I bought the mini kits in them. But this body exfoliator, I'm going to buy a full-size bottle because this one is really bomb. So I'm going to exfoliate my entire body with it. And you guys, don't forget to exfoliate your underarms. A lot of people ask me how I keep my underarms looking fairly light, and it's because I exfoliate my underarms quite frequently. That's the best way to prevent dark underarms. You have to exfoliate, and I feel like this will be a great exfoliator, especially for your underarm area. So yeah, y'all, I'm just making sure to get up in there nice and good, and I'm going to rinse off my body. All right, y'all, so I am finally getting out the shower, and I'm gonna move on to my favorite part of my self-care routine. But first, I gotta set the mood, I gotta set the vibe, and I'm gonna light my candle. And I'm using this replica candle in the scent Jazz Club. And y'all, you need this candle, especially for the fall/winter season. It's just gonna make you feel so warm and cozy. I love it. So I'm running my bath water now, and I'm just applying my favorite bubble bath to my bath water. And on top of that, I also picked up these chill pills by Koi. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, the container comes in a pack of 6, and I'm going to drop one chill pill into my bath water and let it dissolve. So in this clip, as y'all can see, I'm just setting up my little bath tray. You know, I gotta make sure to have all the essentials while soaking in my bath water. So first, most important thing is my wine, honey. I need to have my glass of wine while I'm soaking in my bath. So as y'all can see, I am pouring a full glass of my wine. And I also placed my book. This is the current one that I'm reading. I don't want to read the title so I don't get demonetized, but you guys see the title, and it's a pretty good read. I got my strawberries, and of course, I can't forget about my phone. And now I'm just going to soak and relax. This is absolutely my favorite part in my self-care routine. It really just feels like a mini vacation. It feels like a mini spa in my bathroom, and it just really helps for me to get away from work, and it just helps me to take my mind off of things that I'm constantly thinking about. So if you can as well, you guys, I would highly recommend that you try to implement a self-care routine of your own. Whatever it is, it could be the slightest thing, but I feel like it's so important to just take some time to yourself and pamper yourself. And I promise you, it makes the biggest difference in the world. You will feel rejuvenated and reset and ready to conquer the world. Alright y'all, so I am finally out of the bath, and at this point I am feeling good. I am feeling relaxed, but we ain't done yet. I gotta finish up my hair, and first I'm going to apply this IGK hydrating hair balm, and this is in their Mistress collection. So this is my first time using this hair balm, and it also works as a leave-in conditioner. And what I really like about this hair balm is that the consistency of it feels really light. It's really lightweight. It does not feel heavy in the hair, and it worked really well to add that extra moisture to my hair. And now to seal in that moisture, I'm going to go back in my Olaplex kit and grab my bonding oil. So I'm just applying a good amount of this oil onto both sections of my hair. And I also like how this oil smells. It has a really pleasant smell to it. You guys, my hair absolutely needed this. It is feeling so good right now. So I'm going to keep my hairstyle pretty simple. I'm just going to pin it all back and put my hair in a nice and neat bun. And I don't know about you guys, but I always try to make an effort to have myself looking put together. Whenever I look undone, I feel like it reflects in my mood. It kind of puts me like in a grumpy mood. So I'm just, fixing up my hair. I'm not going to put on any makeup, but I'm just going to have my hair looking nice. I'm going to do my baby hairs. And I just feel like when I do this, when I look put together, it just puts me in a better mood. The saying that goes, when you look good, you feel good, it is so real, you guys. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna continue doing my hair. This style is super cute, is really effortless, especially with my little baby hairs. I love the exaggerated baby hairs look. Whenever I do that, it just has me feeling myself. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done with my hair, of course I cannot forget about my face. So as of lately, I've been using these universal peeling pad solution, and this is by Dr. Dennis Gross. So as y'all can see, it comes with 2 steps. In step 1, it contains their exfoliating peeling pad, and step 2 contains their neutralizing solution pad. So of course, starting with step 1, I'm just going to apply the pad all over my face, and I'm just gently rubbing it along the entire perimeter of my face. And I'm going to specifically focus on my problem areas because it does help to fade any dark marks or acne scars. So I would highly recommend these pads, especially if you have acne prone skin. So after I let step 1 sit for about 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and open step 2 and neutralize my skin. You guys, these peeling solution pads are bomb. I recently experienced a breakout, so I decided to pick these up. And you guys, since then, I have seen a significant change in my skin. It really helped to keep my breakouts at bay, and I've slowly been seeing that my dark marks are starting to fade. So another product that I've recently been using is the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner by Fresh. And you guys, this is another product that I have been loving. And I'm not even capping with you guys. These products have been my favorite. This particular toner is so hydrating, and I'm saying this hands down, this is the best toner that I've ever tried. It's a little bit pricey for a toner, I'm not gonna even lie to you, but you guys, it is so worth it. So next, I'm gonna take this Sugar Lip Polish by Fresh as well and just do a quick lip scrub. Since we are entering the colder months, it is very important to make sure that your lips are always feeling nice and moisturized. And you know, it's just not cute to be walking around here with dry and chapped lips, especially when it's cold outside. So this is a great option for a lip scrub. But to be honest, this is another product that is kind of pricey. So if you want, you could just do a homemade brown sugar lip scrub. Just add a little bit of oil to it, honey, and that will pretty much do the trick. So I'm just using a good amount of this lip scrub. And if you guys want to see my full nighttime skincare routine, I'm going to leave the link up top so you could check it out. But in this video, I'm just briefly going over some of the new skincare products that I picked up. So after I'm done applying my lip scrub, I'm just going to take a damp rag and wipe the product off. And I'm also making sure to follow up with a good lip balm. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Now my lips are feeling pillowy soft, they're feeling moisturized, and they are looking juicy. So this next product I was so excited to try out, and it is the body serum by Necessaire. And you guys, before this product, I never knew that body serums were a thing. And come to think of it, it absolutely makes sense to have a body serum because we normally will use a serum on our face, so why not apply a serum to our body as well? And in this serum, it contains hyaluronic acid, which could be very hydrating to the skin. So it's just gonna help to add that added moisture to my body. And I would also recommend this serum, especially if you have a dry skin. And after that, I'm going to follow up with the body lotion. And you guys already know my staple product is my Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. But, you know, I decided to give this one a try. And I also really like this lotion as well. Now, although it doesn't really have a scent to it, I think this even might be fragrance free. Don't quote me on that. This lotion feels really moisturizing, you guys. It has a really thick consistency to it, so this is actually perfect, especially in the colder season when you want to keep your skin feeling extra moisturized and hydrated. This is a great option. So of course, we cannot forget about our fragrance, and for today, I'm using my Brazilian Crust Cheirosa 62 Body Mist. And I also picked up this cute little pajama set, you guys. Here's me just modeling it for you. But anyway, you guys, I'm just going to spray this body mist all over. And at this point, I am starving, you guys. Those little strawberries didn't do anything for me. So I'm going to order my favorite comfort food on Uber Eats, and it is sushi. I am obsessed with sushi. I could eat sushi every single day. It is my favorite food in this entire world. But anyway, you guys, I went in and placed my order, and fast forward about 45 minutes later, my food finally came, and this is the food that I got. So I got 2 rolls. I got the mango roll, which is on the left, and a rainbow roll. Of course, I had to re-up on my wine, girl, and that is pretty much it. I am completely done. I'm just going to sit on my couch and chill, watch a good movie, and relax. So that is pretty much it for my self-care routine, you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed this. This has been so relaxing. I am feeling so good right now, and I did this on a Sunday, so I am just ready to start my week. I'm ready to be productive and take over the world. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.